Hey guys, this is Naeem Kwano, and I am so excited to have you join us for this journey on becoming a stock trader. We've worked very hard on this course and gathered years of research, trial, and error to collect the most essential knowledge and super packed it into this one simplified trading course. Take your time as you go through this course and make sure to take plenty of notes. There are plenty of complex topics we go through, so taking your time will ensure the best memory retention. We will start off with the basics and cover the topics in a sequential order, which is the most optimal for learning, which allows you to communicate directly with the other members of the Project Capital community who would be able to assist you in any way. I humbly thank you for joining us, and once again, I am so glad that you are part of this journey. See you in the next video.
Hey guys, this is Mahfouz, and welcome to the first day of your journey to becoming a successful stock trader. Our main objective in this course is to simplify the world of stock trading. This course is not just for beginners, but even experienced traders who are looking for more insight into trading. We share our personal proven techniques which have worked for us, and also share valuable information such as trading psychology, risk management, chart patterns, stock screening, trading execution, all the key information packed into one guide with the most value. We hope with all the valuable principles and techniques that we've acquired over the years will help many people start trading with a proper guide before becoming a successful trader.